Traditional alarm systems? Yeah, they're basically melting into extinction like the dinosaurs. Well, if dinosaurs had anxiety like these finicky alarms do, alarms can't see, so they shriek over dust, shadows, or a leaf blowing in the wind, or even nothing at all. In 5 to 10 years, security alarm systems will be in museums, right between dial up internet and pagers. But AI cameras, oh, they're built different. They actually see what's happening, instantly spot threats, and ignore your neighbor's cat doing parkour auditions at 2 a.m. Because cameras verify real threats, police respond faster, louder, and with way more purpose. It's smarter, calmer, and 1,000% less chaotic than your old alarm having a daily meltdown. AI cameras, saving humanity from dramatic alarms.